Yesterday I made some modifications to my carburetor. I had some vacuum ports that were not being used, and instead of continuing to use the little rubber plugs that are somewhat ineffective, tend to dry out, fall off, and get even blown off when it backfires through the carburetor, because it'll do that sometimes if I drive it in a wrong kind of way. I decided to plug those holes. So what you do is get you a pair of pliers or some other appropriate tool and just pull the little vacuum nipple right out of the carburetor. Drive yourself some lead weights in there with a punch, and it's all sealed up. Enjoy these little clips and photos. And when you get done, you'll have something that looks like this. See that okay? Clean it up with a bit of sandpaper. And there. That's what you get. That looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Much better than that little vacuum stick sticking out. I've got one more I'm going to do, and I'll be done with it. Y'all enjoy your day.